Subtle Serpent Survival here. Due to high demand, I'm going to do a full review on the Wilson Tech Line Series SS1 or Say System 1. I've tested this one for well over 8 months. Done great. Well, I won't spoil what's coming in the next video, but stay tuned. And then my buddy's letting me borrow his, show off his variant with the Cadillac sheath as the pouch and then the PSK, and also this awesome commando finish. So like I said, stay tuned for that, because that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is a blast from the past with an old video doing bow drill with one of Sam Wilson's original customs. This is the M8. I've had this thing for years. I'll tell you, it's one of my favorites from him. Probably is my favorite from him, to be honest with you. And if you know anything about Sam's hollow handles, they are just on another level. So this is the M8 with the MOA system. Obviously the phenomenal sheath work, sharpening steel, then the PSK, then a pouch on the front, a leg strap, everything. So this thing's been through a lot of testing over the years and pretty much told me everything I needed to know about the quality of Sam's knives. So stay tuned for that and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.
Subtle Serpent Survival here. As you can see, I'm going to do some bow drill, but there's going to be a twist. I'm going to be using the Sam Wilson Model 8 butt cap as the bearing block.